Welcome to Knowledge Ascension. In today's guide, I'll show you how to set up YouTube TV on your LG Smart TV quickly and easily. I'll display the steps on the screen. Please make sure you follow each one of them. Let's dive right in. Start by turning on your LG Smart TV and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. On the home screen, navigate to LG Content Store. It's usually located in the bottom menu. In the search bar, type YouTube TV and look for the official app. Once you find it, click install and download and add it to your TV. Once installed, open YouTube TV app and click sign in. You'll see a code on the screen on a separate device like your phone or computer. Visit the website and enter the code. Then follow the prompts to link your account and authorize your TV. That's it. Now you can enjoy live TV, sports, and more on LG Smart TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this.